My name's Craig Floate. I'm a private chef based in the East Midlands. So the recipe I'm going to do today is a vegan chocolate and pistachio cake. So obviously we're going to use the Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise, which is absolutely fantastic as a binding agent in the cake. So completely plant-based cake, really quick and simple, tasty recipe. So first of all, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. We have the vegan Hellmann's mayonnaise, we have the 250 mils of cold water, and then we're going to make a batter. So we just put that on slowly, and then we're going to form a batter which makes our cake mix. Into the cake mix, we're going to fold in roughly around about 100 grams of shelled pistachios, and these have just been crumbled up a little bit. We're going to reserve a little bit for garnish later on. Once the batter's ready, we pour that into a lined baking tin, and then we're going to pop that into a preheated oven, 160, for around about 30 to 35 minutes. Also, to serve with this cake that we're doing today, we're going to do a nice coffee syrup. So really simple recipe to do. So all you do is you mix 250 mils of water, 100 grams of caster sugar, and then 3 to 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. What we're going to do is we're going to pop that into a pan, pop it onto boil. Don't worry if it's smelling like it's burning a little bit, it's absolutely fine. We need it to come right down to produce a nice sticky syrup for when we're garnishing the plate later. So to plate the dish, we cut a round of the cake out. So we put our cake in the center of the plate. Down the left hand side of the plate, we've just got some toasted pistachio nuts. On top, we're just going to do a nice quenelle of vegan vanilla ice cream, and then we've just got a toasted almond that's just been dipped in a little bit of sugar. So there we have our final dish. So it's a vegan chocolate cake made with vegan Hellmann's mayonnaise, which is fantastic. That's served with a coffee syrup, some crumbled pistachios, and some vegan vanilla ice cream.